Racing here, Michael Bunn, bringing you finally the first video to the channel. I know, it's been forever. You keep saying, oh, I'm gonna make a video. It never happened. Well, it's happening, okay? It's happening. As you can see behind me, we have started its life as a 2004 SAAB Vector. It's no longer that, okay? It's an animal. Come with it. As you can see from the front end, obviously we already have a front bumper. This is a different front end from 2008. We got the Hirsch spoiler here up top, carbon fiber Hirsch spoiler, the rear diffuser down here at the bottom. That's a 3-inch intake. Shout out to Elliot Mayer. He's the one that did the intake, did the exhaust, he did the downpipe, the intercooler pipe. He did everything that, anything that needed custom fabrication is what he did. Big shout out to Mayer. To Anthony. These are two names that are really big in this build, and hey, you guys can check it out. So there's Mayer's sticker there. There's Anthony's sticker there. If you want to follow him on Instagram, Sweet Speed 747. Check him out. Like I said, I'm here about giving credit when credit is due. Credit is due. Okay. Like I said, this started its life as a 04. There's not a part in this car that hasn't been touched. From the subframe, the suspension, to the motor, to the turbo, and you name it. Everything on this car has been touched, okay? Guys, a little overview of what size turbo we're rocking. We're rocking with an S257. All right. We got a 44mm teal wastegate hooked up to that bad boy, 50mm blow-off valve, teal. And we're gonna go ahead and park right here so we can give you a little more detailed video. So for some of those that don't know this, your hood latch breaks. Okay. How do you pop up the hood? In simplest terms, I'm going to tell you this. You don't take a pry bar, you don't move to this corner, and you don't start prying away. You don't take a pry bar, you don't move to this corner, and you don't start prying away. Okay? This is how you pop the hood of your 2003 SAAB. Okay? Check that out. Wah-bam. Wah-bam. Ain't nothing more to it. That's why the center grill piece is missing. I have the center grill pieces in the back of the car. I rock it when I don't need to. Alright? There we go. There's the butter and pecans to this book. What you're looking at is an Ecotech 2.0 S257 turbo. All the nitty gritties right there. Everything pretty much in here is custom. You can see from the wiring harness. The wiring harness is custom. There's not a thing on this car that has not been touched, alright? Your ECU's been relocated up here in front. It doesn't, when I say it doesn't even get hot, it doesn't get hot all now, sitting where it's at. Check out the blow-off valve right there. You want to take a look. There's your 50mm blow-off valve. steel wastegate sitting right there. So, yeah. From factory stock block, it doesn't have rods, it doesn't have pistons, okay? We're literally making 500 horsepower. We're doing what everybody said you couldn't do. We're doing it. Not only am I doing it, shout out to Ty, because Ty just posted his wagon. He just updated everybody about the wagon. And the wagon has a similar setup to this one, okay? So, guys, just because the internet says you can only make this amount of power, it's not always true. So, obviously, you know, like I said, we're making 500 horsepower with this setup. This, again, is stock block, people. This is stock block. I couldn't tell you the number of people who have texted me asking me about this stock block and how the hell it's holding up to the power. It is doing fantastic. No problems, no issues. There's little hits in here, there, nothing to really worry about, okay? Nothing the tuner can't take care of, nothing Anthony can't fix, okay? This here is literally